Hey, what's up? Welcome to the trade recap. Today I took a lost $380 trading NQ futures. Before we hop into it, we're just gonna look at the news real quick. Um, Really, just a lot of Fed speeches today. Um, that's probably why the market was a little choppy. Going into the chart itself, I'm on the 1 hour right now. We had this is NQ. We had some highs that I was really looking at. My bias was bullish, just based off a 4 hour, 1 hour structure. Going into going into market open, um, and really my draw on liquidity today was this relative equal high right here on NQ. Um, Scaling down to the 5 minute, this is where the trade started to kind of go wrong for me. So there's a lot going on right now, but I'm looking at this box right here. This is the Fibonacci retracement. Um, for me, if a candle closes above the 79% fib, it basically means a few things. I can consider it a break of structure. I can consider it a change in order flow. Right, order flow is just order changing direction, that type of deal, right? So once price open, right? Price open, price came down, uh, took out this high time frame liquidity, right? 1 hour time frame liquidity, and pushed into the 79% fib. I thought order flow was changing. So from there, I started actually looking for an entry to get into the market, right? So from there, when price closed up in here, I was really just looking for a 5 minute confluence to get hit. I got equilibrium marked out right here. This is 5 minute equilibrium, this middle line. Did get hit, right? Price came down, pushed into it, took out 5 minute equilibrium. On top of that, there was a 1 minute fair value gap that got filled. Um, for this trade, I really entered off with the 1 minute fair value gap getting filled on top of all the other confluences. So I entered kind of high. Entering a little lower would be better. Uh, Retrospect, right? I would have mattered either way, but I entered right after the fair value gap right here. Got filled. Um, Again, relative equal highs were my take profit. So, what, a 5.6 risk to reward. Let's see real quick. Calculator out. So, about $2,000, somewhere like that, right? With the fees, it might be a little less, but that's really what I could have made today. It kind of sucks too. I've been on a losing streak, right? Just making dumb trades like this trade, like that. I don't know. It was really close in the fib. ES at the same time. Let's see if we get back to it. I think it's important to use both together. And if you're ever unsure, at least for me, if I'm ever unsure, I think using like putting both together just makes a lot more sense. Let's see, so it should be this one. Yeah, so I should have been looking at this, right? Like ES didn't close above this fib, right? Also too, it's just how like volatile market's been. Like I should be waiting for a break of structure, right? Like fib is good. I should just be using it for order flow right now until I get more familiar with it. I know concepts, but I'm not as familiar as I should be with them, and it shows, right? Um, Especially like with this trade. I did try to look for a different trade today. This was a break of structure, right? 5 minute confluence, and then market just kind of like spattered out. So overall, like not the best price action. Like if we just zoom out, right? Like it's really just consolidating, right? It's not really going anywhere. It took out London session lows, Asian session lows actually, um, and London. So like it swept both lows. It's kind of just hanging out. So kind of sucks, but it is what it is. It's a great lesson. I think my risk today was right. I think it was a little bit too much. I risked 3.8% of my account, right? So just with what I have, I should really be in that 1 to 2% range, and that's what I've been doing, and I've been sticking to it. And today, the contract was a little bit too much, got ahead of me. I got some FOMO too, so I just entered, right? So, um, yeah, it is all on me, and the only thing I can really do is just keep learning, right? Just keep studying, just keep practicing, just keep pushing at it, and it will happen. I'm very confident that it will, but my abilities are not so confident right now, right? I need to keep tooling them, right? So we're getting a 5 minute break of structure here. Do we enter now? We don't. No more trades for the day. We risked a little bit too much, but with that being said, every day's an opportunity to win, right? Every day's an opportunity to lose, but it's all an opportunity to grow. Either way, win or loss. So we're feeling good right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Might trade later this week. Might take it a little slow. We'll just kind of play it by ear. All right. Well, have a good day. Peace.